9 by Tim Burton. Oh, Jay, that's a good one. Tim Burton is an incredible director. Internet relay chat? July, okay. Fire, 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 baby. Hey, Wild Rose. Hi, Joe. Do you ever get tired of making donuts? Clueless girl? Nope. I don't get tired of. It's work. You know, it's just work. I'm lucky to be able to do this. There's a lot worse things out there for work. You know, there's always going to be your good days and your bad days. But am I tired of making donuts? No. Would I be happy if I were to make donuts for the rest of my life? Yes, I would be. I have no problem doing this for the rest of my life. K-Raid, how you doing, brother? We're going with that Harris Heller tonight, baby. Oh, our weekend has gone to shit. I'm just kidding, K-Raid. I've been having a great weekend. Everyone seems pretty happy. You had a Bavarian cream today. Nice, Scammer. K-Raid does not get free donuts. You know what K-Raid got? K-Raid got a lifetime subscription to my channel. K-Raid has a tier 3 subscription to my channel for the rest of his life. And I know that when he gets his partnership status and he gets over 500 subs, he's going to give me his 3rd lifetime subscription. Love you, Kay. Thank you, brother. Love you, man. No pressure on that. Hey, no pressure on that, my friend. I can afford to pay. If you don't want to give it to me, I can afford to pay for this the subs. Yeah, you're good. Yep. Love you, K-Raid. So now I'm gonna cut out some big cinnamon rolls. K-Raid, you're on your way, man. You are on your way. You just gotta get a mic like I got. You gotta get a better mic. That's one of the complaints I hear about your stream most is the audio quality of the voice. So I would say get a HyperX headset. Get rid of whatever mic you've been using the past, 5 years you've been streaming. Maybe incorporate some sort of sweet pastry into your content. You know what? You know what I would do, K-Raid, since you're big on Spain? I would go with a nice flan. You could be the flan king. If you like flan. I like flan. Flan might be my favorite dessert. What if I make bread on stream? I don't... Fuck cinnamon! Alright, I can't cuss. I can't cuss. I got too many people that... Salty! One more freaking month. And you got 1 year. You're gonna...
Salt bread.
Salty, man. Thank you for the 11 months, brother. Salty, hey, it's me. Salty is a bread streamer on Twitch. He's the bread man. But before he was the bread man, he's been my brother on this journey. Salty's an OG. He's been streaming for a lot longer than he's an OG. We'll say that. He's been streaming a lot longer. He's been streaming longer than any of us. He's a Twitch ambassador. You should definitely give him a follow. He was a gaming streamer. Now he is a cooking streamer, but he does like to race some marbles. Salty, I love you, man. You had an Epic stream today. Epic stream all week. Terry, I love you, Terry. How you doing tonight? But Salty, no one has been subbed to me. What do you say? Terry, hi Terry. I love you, Terry. Thank you so much for the 100 bits. 200 bits. Terry, I hope you and your family are doing well. Terry, I've been thinking a lot about you after what you told me earlier this week. I love you. Thank you for the support, Terry. I've been thinking about you. Salty, no one has that 12-month sub badge yet. You might be the first. If you can afford to sub to me next month, Salty. No pressure on that, all right? I know times are tough. Salty just lost his job because of the pandemic. He was a full-time chef, which they dropped him down to part-time chef, and now they just the restaurant's kind of up in the air, so he doesn't have a job right now. But so that means we get more of him on Twitch. He's an amazing streamer. You guys should check him out. I love you, dude. He doesn't get to make it into my streams very often because he's kind of old. Like I said, he's an OG. He's been around for a while. He's an older man. And with age comes a earlier bedtime. Don't laugh at it. It's gonna happen to all of you guys. Alright, love you. Sorry, Salty. Salty is 36 years old. Anyone older than that in chat, please don't hate me. I was just kidding around. Geriatrics. I'm just messing around, guys. There's no such thing as old age. Unless you're that bag of chips I was eating earlier in the stream. That bag of chips was pretty damn old. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, pretty stale. But I had to eat it. I had to eat it for the ASMR, the crunching. You guys wanted to hear a crunch. I ate a bag of stale chips so you guys can hear the crunch. Alright, these are cinnamon rolls. People know me, they know I like to clap my buns. I just ripped my glove. Nixter, how old are you, Nixter? You gotta be younger than me. Terry, you're 53? 53 years young? Terry, I hope I didn't offend anyone. I love you guys. We like to give Salty a hard time because in this circle of friends of ours, he's been around the longest. And he's better looking than all of us, so we have to give him a hard time. Craigus, you're 36? Catnip, you're older than 36? You should hand a cardiac mic from the ceiling, no need for a headset, and it will pick up the table sounds too for ASMR. Bandicore, that's kind of a good idea. That's kind of true. I'm older, I don't get to bed until 1 or 2 a.m. You're 59, clueless girl. Catnip, you're turning 40. I gotta start eating more salads so I look like Catnip at 40. I gotta start taking better care of myself so I look like, maybe I can look as good as Terry does when I'm that age. I'm turning around, you guys. Look at that. I'm redeeming myself. Man, if I could just fast forward and be